Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make a drawstring shoulder bag. The link for the pattern is in the description under the video. To make this bag you will need a 20 cm long zipper, 1 nylon fabric for the outside, 1 nylon fabric for the lining, 1 slicing ring of 3 cm large, 1 ring of 3 cm large, 135 cm long webbing of 3 cm width, 2 80 cm long cords. Print and cut the pattern pieces. Put the pattern pieces on the fabric as shown in the cutting layout and cut the pieces of the outer fabric and the lining. Before removing the paper pattern pieces from the fabric, transfer the pattern important markings to the fabric. Place one of the lining faces on carbon paper, then place the pattern on top and trace the pocket opening. Place the pocket piece on the carbon paper, then place the pattern on top and trace the pocket opening. Place the pocket piece on the face lining right sides together, matching the pocket opening position. Stitch the pocket opening rectangle. Using sharp scissors, cut out the center lines and triangles. Do not cut through the seams. Pass the pocket piece through the pocket opening and iron on the reverse side. If the corners wrinkle, turn the lining over onto the wrong side and check if the corners can be cut a little deeper. Place the zipper face up under the opening, pin or baste. It must be well centered. The metal ends of the zipper should be inside the opening and the ends should protrude from the opening. Flip to the right side and stitch all around the zipper 2 mm from the edge. Flip the piece over into its reverse side and fold the pocket piece in half. Pin the edges of the pocket without pinning the face of the bag. Stitch the sides of the pocket 1 cm from the edge. Place the faces of the bag, outer fabric and lining on the carbon paper, then place the pattern on top and trace the location of the darts. Fold and sew the darts. Place both outer fabric bag faces right sides together and stitch all around at 1 cm from the edge without stitching the runner opening. Place both faces of the bag lining fabric right sides together and stitch all around at 1 cm from the edge, leaving a 12 cm opening to flip the bag over. Press the seams. Clip the rounded edges of the bag. Mark the location of the strap using the pattern. Place a 120 cm long piece of webbing on one side and a 15 cm long piece of webbing on the second side. Stitch the webbing all around 5 mm from the edge and stitch across in the middle. Pass the free side of the 15 cm strap through the buckle, fold the strap over 2.5 cm and stitch. Pass the free end of the 120 cm long strap through a sliding buckle and then through the buckle attach it to the 15 cm long strap. Then pass the strap through the sliding buckle a second time, this time from the bottom. Fold the strap back about 2.5 cm and stitch. Slide the outside of the bag into the lining right sides together and stitch all the way around at the top 1 cm from the edge. Flip the bag over through the lining opening. Stitch the lining opening. Fold the outer fabric 2 cm inward to create the cord runner. Stitch 2 parallel seams all around, the first 2 mm from the edge and the second 2 cm from the first. Pass an 80 cm long cord through the runner opening on one side, make a complete loop and exit on the same side. Pass a second cord through the opening on the second side, making a complete loop to exit on the same side. Make knots on the ends of the cords. Your bag is ready. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments or message me on my social media. All the links are in the description under the video.